In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get credits in Higgsfield. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to higgsfield.ai. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one. Otherwise, just sign in. Once you are logged in, hover over your profile picture in the top right corner. You will see small bar showing what percentage of your credits you have used. Click on the progress bar. This will open a page showing your current credits. A button that says buy credits. Tap on buy credits. You will now see different credit packs available. You can purchase options like 80, 170, 380 or 840 credits. These credits are added instantly and are valid for 90 days. Another way to get credits is by upgrading your plan. Click upgrade plan and you will see these options: free, basic, pro and ultimate. Once you subscribe to any of these plans, those credits will be added automatically every month. And if you ever need extra credits on top of your subscription, just go back to buy credits for one-time purchase. And that's it. That's how you get credits in Higgsfield quickly and easily. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.